Welcome student with a new topic, that is center of gravity, which is the application of multiple integral. So what is the center of gravity? It is a mean of mass, means center of gravity, the point through which the resultant weight acts is called the center of gravity. It is also called center of gravity or centroid. So what is the meaning of it? So see there, if supposed to be line, if supposed to be area or plane, and if supposed to be three-dimensional figure, maybe whatever there. So center of gravity, that is in short CG, it is a mean of mass. What is a mean? For example, if suppose I want to find mean of 1, 2, 3. So what we are doing? We are doing 1 plus 2 plus 3 upon how many numbers there? 3 numbers. So we are going to find like this. So similarly here, mean of mass is the center of gravity. If suppose it is a line, along the line, or maybe here center of gravity of plane. So it is a point, that is why x bar, y bar. Suppose this point is center of gravity, and here supposed to be this point, it is the center of gravity. So it is three-dimensional figure, so definitely it is x bar, y bar, z bar. So mean of mass, note that. So mean of mass means here if we want to find x bar, then it is with respect to x mean of mass upon integration of dm. Note that dm, mass, we are taking summation divided by this one. So mean of mass is nothing but x bar equal to integration x dm upon integration dm. Similarly, if I want to find y bar, so integration of y dm with respect to y here, because y bar, upon integration of dm. And in this case, suppose I want to add or extend z, so it will be a integration of z dm upon integration of dm. So very simple to remember it. Now the problem is that how to find this dm. It depends on length, means this line, plane or three-dimensional figure. How? Let's see. So now it is very clear that what is the center of gravity. Now the problem is that what is this dm. So we know density, that is rho, equal to mass upon volume. This thing you know. Volume means definitely it is a 3 dimension. But if I want it is in 2 dimension, then it will be a mass upon area, plane. Instead of volume, I am taking only area. And suppose it is a line, along the line, then mass upon length. Note that, length. And that is why rho equal to m, mass upon, or you can consider that is the dm upon, or m upon volume. In 2 dimensional means in a plane, mass upon area. And suppose along the line, then mass upon length. Length means s. We are denoting by s. And that is why mass equal to rho v or rho a or rho s. S means length, a means area, v means volume. So that thing is in along the line or in a plane or in 3 dimension. It depends on that. So which formula we have to use for mass. And that is why what I am getting, if suppose I want to find dm, so rho dv equal to rho dA equal to rho ds. Now how to find area, how to find volume, how to find length, we already know it. Area means what? Double integration dx dy. Volume means triple integration dx dy dz. And ds or length of s, it is integration from a to b under root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square into dx. If we know the limits of x, if we know limits of y, then different. And if it is in parametric, then it is different. Or sometimes we have to convert into polar or spherical polar coordinates we can convert. So main theme is what? Rho, how to convert into mass and volume, mass and area, mass and length. And that mass we have to convert into rho into dv, rho into dA, rho into ds. Note that this center of gravity is very simple to remember. Center of gravity, that is x bar, y bar, or maybe sometimes z bar. That depends on the figure. If plane, x bar, y bar, line, x bar, y bar, and if it is 3 dimensional, x bar, y bar, z bar. And what is it? X bar equal to, it is the integration of x dm upon integration of dm. Y bar, instead of x you replace y, y dm upon integration of dm. And what about z bar? It is integration of z dm upon integration of dm. Supposed to be a line, along the line, then what it will be? It will change, that is a rho into ds. Rho into ds. Similarly, I will change for the area. Suppose it is for area, then rho into dA. And what is the dA? Double integration. So that is why you remember this thing. Original theme is this one. And by using this, we can find out, or we can write the number of formulae. But main theme is this one. So now you remember here center of gravity of an arc of the curve. It means that suppose this is a curve and we are going to find mean of mass, means center of gravity of this one, that is x bar, y bar. So very simple, x bar equal to integration x dm upon integration dm. It is along the line, that is why integration of x rho ds upon integration of rho ds. Y bar is integration y dm upon integration dm equal to integration y rho ds upon integration rho ds. Suppose rho is constant, means density constant. Then we can common out this, or we can take outside, this also outside. It cancel and I will get this formula. So remember this one. Suppose I want to extend this for the area or plane. So center of gravity of a plane, area or lamina. So it means that suppose the plane lamina means like this, and here the center of gravity, it is supposed to be CG, x bar, y bar. So I will consider this one. But note that this dm changes to rho dA, and if rho constant, rho cancel, and I will get this one. But what is it area? Suppose I want to write actually it area. So I will get here integration x dA means what? Dx dy, double integration dx dy. So I will get this formula. And what about y bar? It is equal to double integration y dx dy upon double integration dx dy. And here it is, if rho present, that rho inside. And center of gravity of a solid means three-dimensional figure, maybe cylinder or cone or whatever there. Then x bar equal to formula will be same, only extension of z. And here instead of that dm, now rho dv. Rho dv means, suppose I want to write rho dv, means x bar is what? Here x rho, here supposed to be, I am going to take. And volume is what? Dx dy dz. But triple integration upon triple integration rho dx dy dz. Now the problem is that how to find area, how to find volume, and how to find length. Then you must go through the videos on area, volume and rectification of the curve, means length of the curve. So let's consider some example on center of gravity. So here is example. Find the centroid of the area bounded by the curve y square into 2a minus x equal to x cube and its asymptote. Note that here we should know the curve tracing, how to trace the curve, right? It is not a curve tracing part, but at least we need what is the shape of that curve, nature of that curve. So here it is very clear, right? It is a two-dimensional figure. So centroid is x bar y bar. So we know centroid, that center of gravity, that is equal to x bar y bar. And what is x bar? Without fail, I will write always the formula. X bar equal to integration of x dm upon integration of dm, and y bar equal to integration of y dm upon integration of dm. And now here is the curve. So what is this curve? Here all powers of y are even, so symmetric about x-axis. So whatever the curve, symmetric about x-axis. Now when we put here x equal to 0, I will get y equal to 0. In short, I am going to find. Note that here it is not a curve tracing, so each and every point need not to write. But in short, I should get it here, symmetry about x-axis. Then put x equal to 0, will get y equal to 0, and y equal to 0 implies x equal to 0. Note that. It means that it curve pass through the origin. Now tangent at the origin lowest degree term. So if we multiply here, this into this, it is a degree 2, this into this 3, and x cube is there, degree 3. So y equal to 0 is the tangent at origin. Note that this is application. So before to that, you should know how to trace the curve, how to use beta gamma function, how to find area, volume, double integration and triple integration. Also the rectification of curve. So y equal to 0 is a tangent at origin. Now asymptote, highest power in x, it is a x cube, coefficient is 1. So 1 is not equal to 0. So not possible. Highest power in y square. So coefficient is what? 2a minus x equal to 0. Means x equal to 2a is asymptote. So by using this information, I can find here it passed through origin. Then y equal to 0 is the tangent, means x-axis is the tangent. So nature of the curve is like this, and x equal to 2a is asymptote. So definitely like this. Where it does not exist, note that here y square equal to x cube upon 2a minus x. When x cube is negative, when x is negative, and when x this will be negative, 2a minus x is less than 0, means x is greater than 2a. Curve does not exist. So here and here curve does not exist. So nature of the curve is like this. So by using all theory, I am getting actual curve is. So here density, there is no information about the density. It means that density is a constant. And one more thing is that here it is a mass density constant, means whatever it is symmetric about x-axis. So whatever the mass here above x-axis, same mass below x-axis, and that is why definitely center of gravity on x-axis. So here it is supposed to be x bar comma y bar. So on x-axis, which value? What is value of y bar? So y bar is a 0. So actually formula or center of gravity here. What is the center of gravity? That is the x bar comma 0, because here on x-axis y bar is 0. So only one part we have to find, that is x bar. Note that it is a plane, means two-dimensional figure. So what is the x bar? It is the integration of x dm upon integration of dm, that is equal to integration of x rho into dA, two-dimensional figure, plane, integration of rho dA, because dm is what? Rho dA. Again, if I extend it, area means what? Dx dy, double integration. Here rho is a constant, so that is why I am getting here rho outside x dA upon here also rho outside integration dA, and that is why x bar I am using the formula for area. It is a double integration x as it is dx dy upon double integration area, means dx dy. So this is the equation number 1. So one by one will find. If suppose I am going to consider it is the numerator upon denominator, or you can consider the step 1, step 2, then put these values here like that. So here the numerator, if I consider, so what I want, that is supposed to be I1. It is a double integration x dx dy over the area. Which area we want? Area is this curve. What is this curve? It is a y square into 2a minus x equal to x cube. Now we have to take, to decide the limits, we have to take any step. Now take a vertical step. This vertical step cut to x-axis, means x constant and y varies. Note that here limits are what? Y varies and x constant. So y varies means what? So what is value of y here? So note that here y square equal to x cube upon 2a minus x. And what is the value of y? Taking square root, I am getting plus minus a root of x cube upon 2a minus x. So minus 2 plus, because here y is minus, here y is plus. So y equal to minus under root of x cube upon 2a minus x to plus under root of x cube upon 2a minus x. And what about the values of x on x axis? So x equal to 0 to end point 2a. Note that. And that is why I am getting I1 equal to integration from 0 to 2a, inner integration from minus under root of x cube upon 2a minus x to plus x cube upon 2a minus x, x dx dy. Inner integral contains x, means these are the limits of y, so only y inside. So I am getting I1 equal to integration 0 to 2a, integration minus under root of x cube by 2a to plus under root of x cube by 2a minus x, and here only dy, only it is inside, and remaining outside means dx is, or x dx is outside. Okay, now integrate this with respect to y. So it is just y, integration 0 to 2a. So integration is y, lower limit to upper limit. By practice you can write this directly also, because here it is very clear. It is with respect to y. So y, lower limit, upper limit minus of lower limit. So what we'll get? It is a this minus minus plus. So 2 times this one. So that depends on your practice. You can write very easily also. So integration from 0 to 2a, and I will get upper limit minus lower limit. So x cube under root of x cube upon 2a minus x minus lower limit, that is the minus plus under root of x cube upon 2a minus x into x dx. So what I am getting? I1 equal to integration 0 to 2a, it is a 2 times under root of x cube upon 2a minus x into x dx. So I am getting I1 equal to, so 2 outside, integration 0 to 2a. So can I write here this x power 3 and whole power half, means it is a 3 into half, means 3 by 2. So what is the power of x here? I am getting x raised to 3 by 2 into 2a minus x raised to minus half. It is in numerator and root means half. So numerator it is minus half into x dx, and I1 equal to 2 times integration 0 to 2a and x raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 means 5 by 2 into 2a minus x raised to minus half dx. So again here beta gamma function. So what is here? Put x equal to 2at. So dx equal to 2a dt. What about the limits? X to t. Given limits are 0 to 2a, means x limits are 0 to 2a. And what about the limits of t now? When we put x equal to 0, I will get t equal to 0. And when we will get x equal to 2a cancel, I will get x equal t equal to 1. So I am getting I1 equal to 2 integration 0 to 1. X means 2at raised to 5 by 2. And here 2a minus x, x means 2at raised to minus half, and dx means 2a dt. You must go through the beta gamma function. Such type of examples we already solved there. So 2 into. Now here constant term is 2a. What is the power? Here 5 by 2. Here common out 2a. So I will get a minus half power, and here plus 1. So I am getting here it is a 2 plus 1 means 3. So 2a cube. So remaining as it is. So t raised to 5 by 2 into 1 minus t raised to minus half dt. Note that you must know the beta gamma function definition. So I am using this definition there, and also the properties of beta gamma function. And that is why I am getting here I1 equal to 2 cube means 8 into 2 means 16 a cube, and here beta power plus 1. So 7 by 2 and minus half plus 1 means half. So relation between beta and gamma. So I am using this one, and relation between beta and gamma. So what I am getting? Gamma separation. So 16 a cube as it is, and gamma separation upon gamma addition. So 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 8 by 2 means gamma 4. And again by using properties of gamma function, I am getting gamma 7 by 2 is what? 5 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, root pi. Gamma half root pi upon 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 6. So by using calculator, I am getting the value of this is I1 equal to 5 a cube pi. So this is equation number 2. I am having numerator here. Now double integration dx dy means area of this. So denominator, if I denote it by I2, which is nothing but double integration dx dy. Note that here limits are same, but here I can directly use whatever the limits here minus 2 plus, it is directly I will get 2 times, because whatever the area above the x-axis, same area below x-axis. So I2 equal to double integration dx dy, and here it is the area. So you can consider 0 to that. Why? I will explain here. Because whatever the area above this x-axis, same area below x-axis. That is why what are the limits of y? From 0 to that curve. Or you can consider minus to 1. Any one from that. So automatically we will get this 2 times. So I am getting it is a 2 times 0 to. Otherwise minus to that. Inner integral contains x. So these are the limits of y, and outside x dx. So I will get here 2 integration 0 to 2a. It is a y. So lower limit 0, upper limit is x cube upon 2a minus x dx. So that is equal to 2 times integration 0 to 2a, and here under root of x cube upon 2a minus x dx. So what about I2? It is a 2 times integration 0 to 2a, here x raised to 3 by 2, and here 2a minus x raised to minus half dx. So again by this substitution, same method there and same beta gamma function. So here I will use again beta and gamma function, that is why I put x equal to 2at. Same thing I will consider there. So I am getting like this. So I2 equal to 2 outside, integration 0 to 1, x means 2at raised to 3 by 2, 2a minus 2at raised to minus half, dx means 2a dt. So 2a constant you take outside. So what is the power of 2a? So I2 equal to 2 as it is, and 2a power is 3 by 2, here 3 by 2, here 2a common, minus half into 2a means plus 1. So I am getting, it is the 2, so I am getting square. Integration 0 to 1, t raised to 3 by 2, 1 minus t raised to minus half dt. So again by using the relation between beta and gamma function, but before to that 2 square means 4. 4 into 2 it is a 8a square, and here beta power plus 1 power plus 1. By using relation between beta and gamma function that we know here, and here the definition of beta I am using this one. So I am getting gamma separation upon gamma addition. So gamma 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 6 by 2, it is a 3. So gamma 3. So 8a square, gamma 5 by 2 is 3 by 2, 1 by 2 root pi, gamma half is a root pi upon gamma 3 is 2 factorial means 2. So by using calculator you find this I2. So I am getting I2 equal to 3a square pi. This is equation number 2. Now substitute values from 2 and 3 in equation 1. So what is the x bar? Equation 1 means what? Here this is your equation 1, and I1 means numerator, I2 means denominator. So I will put there this value. So I am getting x bar equal to I1 value 5a cube pi upon I2 3a square pi, and that is equal to pi get cancelled, a square get cancelled, 5 by 3a or 5a by 3, and therefore center of gravity that we know it is the x bar comma 0, and that is equal to 5a by 3 comma 0, which is your required answer.